Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Cash App. You will click on settings. In this page, you go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of Cash and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to